little Mustang. I think we're close to the car show. I think it's going to be up here on the right. We're in Graceville, Florida, and this is the Vanity Fair parking lot. Yep. Oh yeah. Let's get out and see what kind of stuff they have. We got a lot of stuff here. A lot of nice cars, people still showing up. Nice car there. It's like a 59 El Camino. Old Ford. Roof's been chopped. Small block Chevrolet. An old Plymouth. Nice little Volkswagen Bug. Clean car. Super clean car. Looks nice. Volkswagen truck. Neat little truck there. And a old school air conditioning unit. Late 70s Camaro LS twin turbo. Couple old rat rods. Nice clean Road Runner. A lot of cars, a lot of nice cars. I've only seen 4 Mopars though. A lot of good stuff here though. Again, this is Graceville, Florida. Mid-October.